Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use AI to create engaging social media posts. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the way we generate content and manage our online presence. By the end of this video, you'll understand what AI is, what it can do for your social media strategy, how to use it to generate content, edit posts, and why maintaining a strong social media presence is crucial for your childcare business. In this video, we'll cover an introduction to AI, why AI can be useful to you, and how to use AI to create content. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. In the context of social media, AI tools can generate content, schedule posts, analyze engagement, and much more. These capabilities can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your childcare business. AI offers numerous capabilities that can enhance your social media strategy. It can generate content based on trends, keywords, and audience preferences. AI tools can also analyze engagement metrics to determine the best times to post and which type of content resonates most with your audience. Additionally, AI can help with scheduling posts, responding to comments, and even generating visuals. By leveraging AI, you can create a consistent and engaging social media presence without spending hours on content creation. Using AI for social media posts is beneficial for several reasons. First, it saves you time. Generating content manually can be time-consuming, but AI tools can produce high-quality posts in minutes. Second, AI helps maintain consistency in your posting schedule, ensuring that you stay active and engaged with your audience. Third, AI can provide insights into what types of content perform best, helping you refine your strategy. It's especially useful when you're short on time or ideas, but still want to maintain a strong social media presence. Let's walk through how to use an AI content generator. For this demonstration, we'll be using ChatGPT. To start, go to chatgpt.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one with your email address. Once logged in, you'll see a text box on the bottom where you can input prompts. You can also start a new chat by clicking the New Chat button on the left-hand side. The prompts that you enter will guide ChatGPT in generating content. For example, you might type, "Create a Facebook post about our new summer program for kids." Hit enter or click the arrow button, and Chat will generate a draft post for you. You can specify the tone, length, and key points you want to include. For example, upon seeing this draft, you may say, "Make the post shorter." Chat will then condense the post for you because of your instruction. AI tools can generate posts for various platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can also instruct Chat to generate multiple examples. Chat will then do so, and you can scroll through and choose the one which best aligns with your childcare business's image. After generating content, it's important to review and edit it to ensure that it aligns with your business's voice and message. AI-generated content is a great starting point, but you may need to tweak the language or add specific details about your childcare center. To make changes to the posts, you can highlight the text, copy it, and paste it into your social media platform, into another document, or even into the chat message box. Editing also allows you to infuse your unique voice and style into the posts, making them more authentic. Maintaining a strong social media presence is crucial for your childcare business. It helps build brand awareness, engage with parents and the community, and attract new families to your center. Regularly posting updates, sharing photos and videos, and interacting with your audience can create a sense of community and trust. Social media is also an effective platform for sharing important information, such as events, programs, and policies. By staying active on social media, you can ensure that your childcare center remains visible and top of mind for current and prospective parents. AI is a powerful tool that can help you create and manage your social media content more efficiently. By using AI, you can save time, maintain consistency, and enhance your engagement with parents and the community. Give AI content generation a try and see how it can benefit your childcare business.